We're delighted to welcome you to our newly refurbished Aer Lingus Lounge in Dublin Airport. Entry to our lounge is now completely contactless. Just use your phone to scan your boarding pass and Air Club card. Lounge entry is free for Air Club Silver, Platinum and Concierge members, as well as business class and airspace passengers. Our seating area now includes cosy seating pods, plus a great choice of comfy seats to relax in. PowerPoints and wireless chargers are now available at every seat. Choose from over 7,000 digital newspapers and magazines on our PressReader app. Use our free lounge Wi-Fi to download your favourites before your flight. Feeling peckish? Simply scan the QR code at each seat to order from our new online Your Menu service. Choose from a tasty selection of sandwiches and salads, or treat yourself to complimentary self-service drinks and snacks. Enjoy a freshly brewed cup of coffee from our barista. Surfaces in the lounge are cleaned regularly during the day. Hand sanitising stations are also available throughout the lounge. Enjoy our new Dublin Lounge from September 1st, 2021. We can't wait to see you.